This is a Life of Crazy. Always coming to you with some cool videos. So today I have planned for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all my first day at flight school. So yeah, plan on getting my small plane pilot's license. So I'm gonna bring y'all along on my adventure, and you know, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll keep coming with y'all with some fine videos. All right, check back in with you. Yep. If I'm not mistaken, these are Cessnas, right?
These are Cessna 172s, yep, like we went over. So these are for our planes here at Fisher Aviation. The one we're going to be flying is this one right here, the red and white Cessna. So that's our call sign right there, 50906. So, you know, when I'm communicating on the radios, that's how I identify myself. You know, I'm not just, hey, I'm Alex, ready for departure or takeoff or landing. It's, hey, I'm 50906. We're at the ramp and we're ready for departure, either to the north, to the south, wherever direction we're heading to. Okay. Release these tie downs,
and that's for it don't fly off
not
with the wind,
but just to keep the plane nice and secure in case, you know, let's say, you know, at nighttime or even during the day when we have these gusts of wind, yeah, the engine is off, but it doesn't mean these planes couldn't easily, you know, move or whatnot. And like I always tell you, it's all about safety. In the airport operations, we're dealing with other planes, people, sometimes even animals, and the way we got to do is secure these planes, right, so they don't move at all. Okay.
Yep, this is what we're flying today. I don't know if I told you, I got a channel on YouTube, yeah.
Nice.
So I'm gonna take a quick video. we landed safely. It was a little bumpy up there, but I like it, and I definitely plan on getting a pilot's license now. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I got a little nauseous, but I didn't throw up. I wasn't to the point of throwing up, but it was a little weird. But I like it. Plane made it safe, and something to get used to. So plan on doing this more often, so you'll see it on my channel.